Hi everyone, my name is Bogdan and welcome to Acura Addicted channel, helping you to navigate in the world of automotive repairs, maintenance and reviews. In the fourth episode of the fifth season of the Make Acura Great Again project, I'm going to show you how to fix the annoying fluttering you might hear from the front middle of the cabin console, like this one. This is a simple and relatively straightforward solution anyone could use. The DIY video is for 2008 Acura MDX tech model, but this will also be applicable for all the trims and model years from 2007 to 2013. Let's roll! Protect your digital life with Backblaze. Get unlimited, affordable automatic cloud backup service that secures your data effortlessly. Whether it's important documents, treasured photos, or vital business files, Backblaze keeps everything safe and accessible. With unlimited storage and easy recovery, rest easy knowing your files are protected. Sign up today and get 1 month for free using the link in the description. Here's a list of tools you need to complete this job. A Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, plastic trim tools for small electronics, dielectric grease, paper towel, optional, a small 3/8 inch ratchet, 7 mm socket, some extensions, a small prying tool, 50 or 70% rubbing alcohol, Q-tips, graphite or silicone grease. Links to everything I used are in the description. Start by removing the plastic protecting trim from under the steering wheel. Now to the air mixer actuator. It's held by 3 screws that you can remove with a Phillips screwdriver or a 7 mm socket. I also removed this additional screw because I thought it would be easier to access fasteners on the actuator, but that ended up not being the case. It takes a little bit of finesse to take the fasteners out as they are hard to access and even see, but I digress. Don't forget to disconnect the green connector, or you could do it ahead of time. Okay, let's deal with opening the actuator. There are no fasteners here, just 2 pieces held together by 6 clips. 1 on each side of the actuator plus 2 on either side of the connector socket. Mind you, the clips are very brittle, so take extra care when unclipping the shell. There we go, snap one of the clips. Oh well. That's one. Finally got it to open. Let's see what's inside. As you can see, a very simple mechanism that includes a motor with worm gear, some gears and contacts. I'll remove the excess of the old lubricant from the gears. Now extracting the motor. Looking closely at the worm gear, there's a metal stopper on the motor spindle that limits the gear from moving up and down the spindle. That appears to be the culprit of the annoying fluttering sound that is caused by constant gear hunting due to it not being securely firm. I'll demonstrate by moving the worm gear. Alright, I'll try to move the metal stopper up the spindle to make the worm gear secure. It's easier to do it with the motor out of the actuator. However, if you leave it in, that will allow you to immediately check your effort and see if you got it right. I'll remove the other two gears . After several attempts, I'm satisfied with the result, as the worm gear no longer moves up and down the spindle. I will now remove the motor to clean up and re-lubricate all the necessary pieces, using a Q-tip with rubbing alcohol here. And applying graphite grease on all the surfaces that come in contact with the gears. Reinstalling the motor. And don't forget to lubricate the gears themselves. Now, the other side of the shell, where the biggest control gear is installed. Cleaning and applying dielectric grease, since the logic of the actuator is governed by contacts routed through this gear, so you don't want any short or unnecessary circuits created here. Spreading the dielectric grease evenly on the contact side. And some graphite grease on the working surface of the gear. One last check before reassembling the actuator. Just press it together until all the clips snap in positions. Cleanup time. We are ready to put the actuator back to its place in the car now, but before that I'll lubricate these plastic arms that are responsible for the air mixer flaps positions, so the actuator works quietly and smoothly. Reinstall the actuator. Make sure the pins on the outside of the plastic actuator mechanism go into the openings of these plastic air mixer arms in the vehicle. Secure it with 3 screws. And I'll put that extra screw back in as well. Just a reminder, you don't need to take it out. And reconnect the green connector here. Let's test it out by turning the ignition on and trying various air circulation modes. Works great, and no more fluttering. I will now reinstall the plastic trim piece under the steering wheel.
And that's it. I hope this resolves your air mixer motor annoying fluttering sound. If this was helpful, like the video, leave your comments below and hit that subscribe and bell buttons for more videos just like this. Thank you for watching. Drive safe, use your turn signals, and remember, anything is possible with the right tools and motivation. See you next time.